Hello everyone, welcome back to our crochet tutorial. Today we're making a beautiful and simple crochet coaster. This project is perfect for beginners and makes a great addition to your home decor or thoughtful handmade gift. If you enjoy crochet tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more creative patterns. Now grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Let's begin by making a magic ring. Into this ring, work 12 double crochets DC into the ring. Pull the ring tight and join with a slip stitch, SLST, to the first DC. Great job! The magic ring can be tricky, but it creates a nice and seamless center. Keep practicing if needed. Now let's increase our stitches. Work 2 double crochets DC ink in each stitch around. You will have 24 stitches at the end. Join with a slip stitch. You're doing great. This round helps expand the coaster evenly. Remember to keep your tension consistent. For this round, alternate between 1 double crochet DC in the next stitch and 2 double crochets DC ink in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern around. You will have 36 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Your coaster is growing. Take a moment to check your stitch count to ensure a smooth and even shape. Now let's add some texture. Start with 4ch 1DC, skip 1 stitch. Then 1DC, 1ch 1DC, skip 1 stitch, and repeat around. Join with a slip stitch. Note, insert the hook into the stitch before the previous round's increase stitch. Note, insert the hook into the stitch before the previous round's increase stitch. Well done. This round adds a delicate texture to your coaster. This creates a lacy effect, so be careful not to tighten your chain stitches too much. Finally, let's create a decorative finish. Work, slip stitch, 2 caught, 5 unfinished DC together, 2 caught, slip stitch. Repeat around, join and fasten off. Note, insert the hook 2 stitches before the previous round's increase stitch. Note, insert the hook 2 stitches before the previous round's increase stitch. You're almost there. This round creates a beautiful petal-like finish. Keep your stitches loose for a more defined petal shape and ensure that all unfinished DC are pulled to the same height. And that's it. You've just completed a lovely crochet coaster. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet projects. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting. See you in the next video.